Okay guys, we at the Lowe's and we finna go to the garden center and see what they have out for this spring's garden adventures. Okay guys, they have tons of tomatoes, different variety of tomato plants. 1998. I don't see a price on the smaller ones. They got a lot out here, y'all. 3 for $12. For the okay, so the smaller ones are 3 for $12. So this $4, or you get them single, $4.78. Yeah, they done went up, y'all. They done went up. Everything across the world going up. But they some nice healthy plants. Nice healthy plants. And it's always a plus if you can get more than one plant in a pot. So if y'all go out looking for y'all starter plants, try to find some that got multiple plants in one pot. That way you get more for your buck. We did those last year. I think I'm gonna do them again. They got Tabasco. Oh, we did these last year.
They produced the good too.
Yep, they did.
These are big.
They got all kind of tomatoes.
Big boy.
All these different hybrids. Yeah, they got them out. They got them out. I remember it was a time they ain't had as many fruits and vegetables out for folks to get and try to grow their own food. So you know something going on in the world when they promoting you to grow your own food. Folks used to get in trouble for trying to grow their own food and have their little chickens and whatnot. I know one thing, they ain't playing with these tomatoes. You getting one plant per pot.
They got zucchini and squash. Cucumber.
Now see, like this here, y'all, it's 2 in there. So you probably paying what, $2.50 per plant? Like what the price used to be. These cucumbers, it's 3 in that one. So that's even better. You want to find some that got multiple plants in it. That way you get your money's worth. And this one got 4 in it. This zucchini squash. I got 4 in it. 4 little babies. That one got 3. Yeah, they got a lot out here, y'all. A lot. They fully stocked. That's a nice pear tree. $42 for my fruit trees, y'all. Y'all know I paid $20 something for them fruit trees. That's why sometimes it's best to go and get it early while it's still dormant, and why you won't have that much stress on your plants and trees. Oh, I'm finna get around there to that. What is that? Apple tree, 42. They busting heads, y'all. They busting heads. Baby said, y'all better shop around. And look at these peach trees. They $30 and they small. Yeah, they busting heads, y'all. I think I paid, what we paid for was like $14 for our blueberry bushes. Yeah, the early bird catches the worms, guys.
This just a regular tree. It's $115.
They busting heads.
Now, crate, my turtle, it ain't producing no fruit. It's just a flower.
Look, y'all here, baby. It ain't producing no fruit. It sound like me. I don't know, y'all.
Oh, I ain't never seen this. A pickle plant?
This just dill, like a herb.
I'm finna say.
We'll get to that shortly. You know how I like to take my time. Look at that, $11.98, flowering kale, and it's beautiful, y'all. That is beautiful. That kale looks beautiful. I know last year I did the lettuce and it just bolted. It's sage. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. I'm gonna have to get a couple of them. Good old sage, y'all. And they 3 for $12 too. Basil, parsley, purple basil, what is that? Bee balm, part of the mint family. Rosemary and lavender. Yeah, they got a lot of it. Smells good over here by that rosemary and lavender, y'all. It's salad mix. It's beautiful. And it's $8.48. They busting heads, y'all. To the white meat. Oh, the baby beets. Yeah, we do need some. I did some beets, y'all. I think I started my seeds too early. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. I started my seeds too early. Because this was a real bipolar. Oh, look at the carrots. And I got some carrots in. Baby, look. I got carrots. And it's, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the pot. $5. See, they got a lot of stuff they wouldn't normally have out here. They got a lot of stuff they wouldn't normally have out here. Like, I've never seen the carrots, that flowering kale. What else I had? The beets. I had never seen the beets. They even got what is it? Little crunch snap peas. See, I would like to have that too. I ain't never grew peas before. I would like to try my hand. That's another reason why I like starter plants. You just jump right on in and see what you can, you know, do. Go ahead and make your mistakes if you're gonna make any. More lavender. I got a lot of stuff out here. Excuse me. I know I'm gonna get some of them snap peas. No, I don't need none of this. And I think the rest of it down there is flowers. Let's go in and see what they got going on in the inside, y'all. These are just beautiful, y'all. I really like these. I used to get them from Dollar Tree all the time. Oh, look at those flowers, y'all, over there. They are beautiful, bright red. You'll most definitely get some pollinators with these beautiful flowers, y'all. And they 14, but look how beautiful they are. They beautiful. Just in time for Easter. They got a lot. Tons and tons. That's pretty too. And they want $39 for that. It is beautiful. It's beautiful, y'all. I used to like them. Shit, I already got that growing in my grass. These are just so pretty. You'll most definitely get some pollinators. It is just pretty, y'all. Y'all know what I want to try my hand at? Some sunflowers. I want to try my hand at some sunflowers. Look at all that. Everything is stocked up. It's more flowers and plants out here than it is food in the grocery store. Now that should tell you something. Let me see. And they got sunflower seeds right there. I pretty much got all the seeds food seeds I would want. What is that? Yeah, I seen some over there. I got a bag of strawberries, 10 plants. I got some strawberries, y'all. I got a pack of 10. I need to plant them. It been so rainy lately. Got some radish, pumpkin. I cannot believe they got starter carrots over there. It's pretty, little burnt orange color. I hate to see this stocked up like this. Because it tells me a lot of people ain't growing. What's that? Raspberries, grapes. And it's $15. I don't even think I paid $15. I said they going up on the prices. I guess you got to pay extra for these cute little bags they coming in. Maybe this the deal. Alright guys, I just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of how full and packed and stocked this Lowe's was. I didn't even see the strawberry bucket, y'all, and they want $15 for that. Hold on, let me pull that down. I gotta look in there. Baby, can you get this down for me? They got a lot of them too. They beautiful. And you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 crowns in there for $15. 6 crowns for $15. Oh, y'all, look. Look at the strawberry. My little strawberries from last year done started. I ain't getting none last year, but mine's done start. I gotta give y'all a little update on it. Look at the little strawberries, y'all. But yeah, they are super packed out here. That's gonna be the end of this video for you guys. You guys thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel if you have not already subscribed to the channel. Share this video if you would like. And I'm gonna get on off of here. Let me go and get my little few things that I'm gonna get. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.